Art of Openness, the third in 5 lessons. Opening up. A physical or mental door assumes only so many may enter at a time, where there is some sort of threshold permitting or restricting an in or out crowd, so to collectively speak. Either way, limiting to say the least. Binary opposition is more like it. Whereas when the spirit of love is used, which is no ordinary key by the righteous way, for it is the key. Hence, any so-called fabrication or frameworks dissolve, allowing one and all to gain access, all at once, no less. It's not rocket science, nor esoteric, and you don't even need some fancy gadgets or secret signal for admission. We are intelligent beings, so act the part already and stop bickering and being so stubborn-headed, allowing yourself to be divided and divisive. Being sentient basically means feeling one's way via all the sensual and sensory faculties available in search of understanding and thereby empathy. It's only natural. Anything otherwise is stagnation and stale. For the greatest sin in the universe is indifference, which summarily shuts things out and thus shuts one in. A sort of self-imposed infestation. For immediate instance, to care more about a symbol, i.e. anthem, flag, or gesture, even if what it stands for represents something seemingly admirable and honorable, is to care less about what really matters, the inclusivity and dignity of all beings. Nevertheless, borders, dividers, partitions are materialistic constructs, falsifications, whatnot. One cannot hide from nor ignore misfortunes, pleadings, and equities without it having a negative impact upon oneself. Don't you get it? Yea, thy very soul cringes and wilts under such circumstances and conditions, unless one knows better. And hopefully you will too now. If one is truly sincere about wanting to awaken self, as well as others in the vicarious process, then one must express and reflect spiritual attributes, the material activities, and by way of thoughts, igniting and lightening everyone's load in the process, all the more.